Welcome to CFAM at Home. For today's lesson, we will be making identity pins inspired by the work I Am the Greatest by the artist Hank Willis Thomas from our collection. For this craft, you will need the following materials: a blank sheet of white paper, some Scotch tape, colored pencils, crayons, or markers, a pair of scissors, a safety pin, or you can also use a pre-made pin shell. But before we get started, let's take a closer look at our chosen artwork. Hank Willis Thomas is known for making connections between the past and present as a way to talk about key issues in America involving racism, slavery, violence, and the historic events surrounding them. In this way, he uses his art as a medium to bring awareness to social justice and civil rights. He focuses much of his work on the Black experience and the spirit of perseverance that exists within it. In I Am the Greatest, Thomas uses words spoken by boxing legend Muhammad Ali, a prominent figure in the history of Black America, not only for his athletic abilities, but for his contribution during times of great racial inequality. As a public figure, his voice and leadership was a powerful and symbolic weapon in the civil rights struggle. In this work, Thomas uses a variety of materials to create a giant light-up pin that he uses as a canvas. This pin is a reproduction of one released in the 1970s featuring Ali's famous phrase. Pin-back buttons have been used traditionally to show support for social movements or ideas. Ali had the courage to claim that he was the greatest of all time. Not the greatest boxer or athlete, but the greatest human being, as a way to fight back against those who would challenge his achievements based on the color of his skin. Making the button larger than a regular campaign pin, it stands at almost 3 feet tall, draws on Ali's larger-than-life presence and his status as an icon for Black Americans. With this piece, Thomas explores the power of words to lift up, inspire, and affect the way you see yourself and the way you present yourself to others. With the words, "I am the greatest," Ali helped an entire generation to overcome obstacles placed on them by society and hope for meaningful change. During today's craft, we will be making our own pins featuring powerful words and phrases. In his art, Thomas uses the words of the past to shape and give meaning to his work and artistic message. Think about someone that inspires you. It can be someone you know or a famous figure in history. Using books or the internet, look up important quotes spoken or written by this person that have made an impact on you. Why has this person and these words inspired you? What do these words tell others about your ideas and personality? We will be writing these words on pins and turning them into a personal slogan. Then you can wear them and share them with your friends and family. Take your pre-made pin shell, pop off the back and lay it on the white sheet of paper. Using a pencil or pen, trace the pin back. If you're making a do-it-yourself pin, take any round shape you have around the house and trace it. You can make it small or really big like the one by Hank Willis Thomas. Pick a person whose quote you want to feature. Now it's time to add your design. I will be using the words of someone who's always inspired me, the writer Maya Angelou, who said, "If you don't like something, change it." Now take those words and turn them into a design. Have fun with different fonts and colors. You can even add background colors and illustrations to your pin. When you're done making your design, cut out your circle. If you're using a pre-made shell, take the cover of the shell and pop in your circle, attaching the back and snapping it into place. If you're making a do-it-yourself pin, take a safety pin and flip your circle over. Make sure the part of the pin that opens is facing you. Take your Scotch tape and, cutting a piece that's big enough, attach the back of the safety pin, so the side opposite the opening, and tape your safety pin to the circle. Press down firmly on the tape to make sure it's secured. Share your slogans with your friends and family and inspire them to come up with their own. Thank you for joining us for CFAMily Saturday. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to find out when the next video is loaded.